Hello everyone, welcome to the Math Click. Today we will solve this very nice algebra problem. X power 4 plus x cube divided by x is equal to 36, and we are interested to find the value of x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, from x power 4 plus x cube we can factor out x. So inside here x cube plus here x square will be left, and this whole divide by, as it is given that x is equal to, at the right hand side we have 36. So now from denominator and from numerator these x are cancel out each other. We were left with x cube plus x squared is equal to 36. Now moving this 36 from right hand side to left hand side, this will become x cube plus x squared minus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 36, we will write this as minus 27 minus 9. 27 plus 9 we get 36, and minus 27 plus minus 9 we get minus 36, and this whole thing is equal to 0. And now we will write this x cube plus x squared minus 27, which is 3 cube, minus 9, this is 3 squared, is equal to 0. Now rearranging these numbers, x cube minus 3 cube plus x squared minus 3 squared is equal to 0. Now we will apply an algebraic identities here, that if we have a cube minus b cube, this is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Another algebraic identity, that if we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Using these algebraic identities, the above equation will become as x cube minus 3 cube. So here we have a is x and b is 3. So we will use this algebraic identity. So this will become x minus 3 into x squared, means x squared plus ab, which is x multiplied by 3. We will write this as 3x plus b squared, means 3 squared, which is 9, plus a squared minus b squared. Now here we will use this identity, a minus b into a plus b. This will become x minus 3 into x plus 3, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now we can factor out x minus 3. So by taking common x minus 3, inside here x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3, from here this will be left, and this whole thing, these two factors, is equal to 0. Now this will become x minus 3 into x squared, 3x plus x, 4x, and 9 plus 3, 12, is equal to 0. Now we have two factors, and by using zero product rule here, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x squared plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. From this we get x is equal to 3. By moving this negative 3 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become 0 plus 3, which is 3. This is the first value of x. And the second one is a quadratic equation, x squared plus 4x plus 12. So we will apply here the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. First of all, we will write the value of a, b and c for this equation. The coefficient of x square is a, which is 1, value of b is 4, and the value of c is 12. Using these values in this quadratic formula, so we get x is equal to minus b minus 4 plus minus b squared means 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, and multiplied by c, which is 12, divided by 2 multiplied by a, which is 1. Now x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1, 4, and 4 multiplied by 12, we get 48, divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 48, we get minus 36, divided by 2. Sorry, here 16 minus 48, we get minus 32. So now x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 32. We will write this as 16 multiplied by 2, 32, and multiplying this with negative 1, we get minus 32, divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 4 plus minus whole square root of 16, 2 and minus 1, square root of 16 into square root of 2 into square root of minus 1. We can write this as divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16, which is 4, into square root 2, and square root of minus 1 is I iota, divided by 2. Now from numerator we can factor out 2. So inside here minus 2 will multiply with 2, and we get minus 4 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 into 2 square root I divided by 2. So finally we get x is equal to, these two will cancel out each other. We will left with minus 2 plus minus 2 into 2 square root I. First we have found that x is equal to 3. This is a real solution, x1 से, and now we have found that x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 into 2 square root I. So we have found two values here, one with positive sign and another with negative sign. So these are the second and third values of x, which are the complex solutions. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed the Math Click, please subscribe this.